Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in CoinMarketCap. Changing the currency lets you view crypto prices and market data in your preferred fiat or cryptocurrency. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. From the home page, go to the profile avatar at the top right corner and tap on it. From the expanded menu, click on the default currency option. After you tap on that, go ahead and select your fiat or cryptocurrency under default currency list. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to choose or change your default currency in CoinMarketCap application. The app will now display all the cryptocurrency prices and market data in your selected currency. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.